Hi, hope you're doing well. So, I've made some changes to the way I record audio. Should it still be pretty much the same? But hopefully mm, hopefully it's the same. Hopefully nothing has changed because I think last couple of my audios have been pretty nice. Now, one thing is I want to see which audio I want to upload. So let me just see quickly. Okay. So I have one audio that I want to upload. Again, the whole process of recording and uploading audio has been so smooth that I am just doing it so much more. So go to youtube.com and I'll be uploading the new audio. But for now, uh, again, I'm just looking back and for different apps and stuff. I have some stuff that we can do together. One of them is looking at video quality versus the size that a video takes. Let me just upload this quickly. I don't remember what it's doing in this audio, so let me just quickly listen to it once, and then well. I'm not lifted my mood a little bit. Figured out how to fix it. So basically, I can't use it for any. Really need a way to make it so that OBS when it records. So computer hard disk. So basically connector type. And eliminate the upload the games but okay. The hell am I watching? Okay. Okay, okay. I know what to do. So the other thing is, so this is I believe the same audio. What the hell happened to the audio? Oh my god. Right. I'm sorry for this, by the way. Hell, it's right now. Okay. Is this not the same? It is the same. How big is this? Just one guy? Maybe I should have used my defense matrix a little bit more. Let me see. The time here is 142, 143.24. The kill icon for some reason. I also got dunked by just one guy. Maybe I should have used my What I'm thinking or what I'm checking is the audio quality. Hi. This was 143. And wait, what was the kill icon? There was a kill icon for some reason. I also got dunked by just one guy. Maybe I should have used my defense matrix. Hi. Hope you're doing well. Holy. Even if there was a kill icon for some reason. I also got dunked by just one guy. Okay, I think the audio quality is fine. So I have two videos basically. I'll show you this, but essentially what I've been sort of experimenting with is different. I'll show. Just let me do this first. Tech talk. Sorry, recovering a hard disk. Recovering a hard disk. Completing what challenge? So hope you're doing well today. I have been feeling a little bit good. So I actually wanted to talk to you about something work related. But before that, we'll have some fun seeing of things. Okay. The upload is going pretty fast. So this is what we are working with today. So let me just share my screen as well. File Explorer. So add a new window capture. File Explorer. Okay. You can already see it, I'm pretty sure. Maybe I'm wrong. And we just resize this so that it fits. Here we go. So now you can see this, right? So this is the original video. Oh, let me just see someone. Okay. So this is the original video, right? I'll play this video while I talk about what is going on. So there's this software. So there's this software called Handbrake. What that does is compress video files absurdly. Like it has the ability to compress video files to a really, really small size. Now I'm pretty sure that it also matters. Also, please just hear me like very badly because I'm moving around, so sorry about that. But as I was saying, the I'm so bad at multitasking. So, oh yeah, you can't see the video. I completely forgot. Let me play it again, and then I'll share my screen as well this time. Let me just quit out of Overwatch. So Overwatch will just open in the background. So this is the video, right? So nothing special about the video, but I'm using this for testing. So what Handbrake is, it's a file compressor, a video compressor. It compresses videos a lot. So what I was testing is different video qualities that you can compress in it. So there are some presets and how low the file size can get, and also the audio, how well it preserves the audio in different file formats. Because surprisingly, audio is one of the things that can take the most amount of space when you are working on something. When it comes to like video games, for example, audio is something that usually takes the most amount of space. Yeah. So we'll be looking at this. We'll be looking at this video basically. So as you can see, it starts at 47 kilobytes. So this is 47 MB, right? The second one is full. So I'll open Handbrake as well. So this is Handbrake. I'll show you my. I'll add Handbrake as well. This is Handbrake. Let me see if I can. Yeah. So you should be able to see the size. So this is the main thing that we want to really focus on. So Handbrake has a bunch of different. I'll just add this file here so you can see. It shows me, gives me different options for. So these are the different presets, right? So the presets that I've gone for are fast. So fast gives me a little bit of compression, which is it goes from 47 to 45 MB. Then there's high quality, but this is 480p. So let's think about this, right? Let me just open Notepad as well. So I will. Do I have Notepad somewhere as well? I'll put Notepad. Notepad. System. Fine. I guess this is fine. So we have fast. So this is the original. Original is around 47 MB, right? 47 MB. We just then we have fast 1080p. This is 45 MB. So this is probably not that worth it because it's basically doing nothing. Then we have high quality, and this is 480p, and this is 38 MB. So just because this is 38 MB, this is also probably not worth it, right? Because it's so like such high, so much space taking up, but the resolution itself is super low. Then there is social media. So social media, it's so there are two versions of social media. This is a 25 MB one of 720p. One thing to keep in mind is this is actually 60 FPS, so that's pretty good. And this is 35 MB. So this is probably the best balance of high quality, low size. Then we have very fast, and this is 1080p. So this is probably our favorite one because this is it's called very fast. I don't know why, but it I think processes fast as well. Then this is the lowest out of all of the ones that we have so far, and it's 1080p. So it's the highest resolution. It's low size than the other ones, right? So this is probably the best one so far. Okay. Then there is social media. This is the 10 MB version of 720p. So this is also 60 FPS, and the size this time is 26 MB. So this is the lowest so far, right? Then there is fast. Fast. This is 480p this time, and we got 25 MB. So this probably is now the most balanced. Like 480p is the best in quality. Maybe it's a little bit. I mean, it is worse than 720p, right? But I record in 720p. It's slightly worse than that. The quality gets reduced by a lot as well. So this is, I think, so far the probably the best. Let me actually see if I'm right. If the video is actually recorded in, yeah, it is 720p. Okay. Then we got very fast. This one is 480p, and this is 19 MB. So now this is our favorite because again, fast and very fast. I'm not sure what the difference is. We'll use something to figure out the difference, but for now we don't have any difference. And then the social media, uh, both of these are 360 p. One is a 25 MB version, one is a 10 MB version. Both are basically the same, so I'm not making different tabs for them. Both are 60 FPS as well, but both are 7.5 MB. So this is the smallest basically. This is to send stuff on Discord and whatnot. So this basically compresses it to maximum. We can actually take a look at it quickly. So I'll hide everything. I'll open this video and you can see. So I'm not sure if you can actually see, but this is super blurry, like super blurry. Especially if I compare this to this one. Like this is the original, right? This is the original. And then we have, I think this is going to be my choice, either this, right? So this is still blurry, but much better than this. And I still have no idea about the audio quality. Or we can go. Is this good actually? This is social media 10. I mean, this is pretty good as well. Social media 720p, right? So this is probably the next one. And then after that, I guess this would be the next choice. So now what I want to do is figure out exactly what I want to do, right? So let's see the 1080p ones. This is the old thing that we were doing. So the 1080p ones, right? Very fast is clearly the option that we should be. So I want to see how much very fast 720p does. So let's do that. So again, I'll open Handbrake, or rather show it to you here. So we'll see Handbrake here. The video is here already. What I'll do is uh, go here, and for now I'm just naming this like anything. Oh, I'll have to change it anyways. So we will do very fast 720p. This is what we want. Very fast 720p. I'll save it in my desktop. This is very fast 720, and this is 30 fps. Okay, done this, start encoding. So let's see how much space this takes. Let's see if the, yeah, so it's not updating it live, but once that's done, we should be able to see. Yeah, so now we can see it's 37 MB. So very fast 720p. How is very fast 720p more than very fast 1080p? Am I crazy, or that doesn't make any sense? So we have very fast 1080p. We have very fast 480p. But then there is very fast 720p. It's less than the original, but it's somehow more than this. Did I select a different setting accidentally? That's weird. Okay. The other thing I want to see, right, is this is the only time something weird has happened. So I'm assuming that something I've messed up in settings or something. I hope that's the case. I hope it's not the case that the bloody software is botched. But now what I want to do is I wanna, you can just open tab. Okay, I wanna see Handbrake audio settings explained. And then compression. Okay, let's see. Now I do want to try ChatGPT once here. In how is the audio quality while pressing video? Let's see what this comes up with. While that happens, I will go and see this. You can see magic it can do, right? But I wanna see. We will go through this quickly, but let me see what this comes up with. Audio types, select codec to AAC or pass through. Is there something called pass through? Let me see. Handbrake. Okay. Pass through, I'm assuming just means like pass the audio as it is. AC pass through. Yeah. So I guess this is what I want. Okay. Then we got increased bit rate. Okay. Interesting. I think that actually does answer my question, but we'll actually go through this as well. So if you're familiar with the definition of codecs, container encoding compression. Video encoding is a process of preparing a raw video for output. Digital video needs to be encoded to meet standards and formats for playback to reduce its size. Decompression is sometimes referred to as video encoding, and decompression is referred to as decoding. Final package resulting from the system is a video container. Codec is a protocol or method for video containing or decoding. Otherwise, codec is a set of rules to compress alongside containers. Containers also refer to video format as a bundle of media. These are the containers, this is the codec. Most device. This is the codec. This is supported by most device. So this is what I want to be using most of the time. I think I do use it in DaVinci. Video compression. One thing I didn't get is what is the difference between different video containers? Difference between different video containers. AVI, not good for streaming. MPEG, M2P, material chapters, license, VBR, VFR. What is VFR? Variable frame rate, variable bit rate. Hmm. So where are the popular ones? MKV basically has everything. MPEG, MP4. Chapters is not a standard. One thing I know the difference between these two is that this can have multiple audio tracks while this doesn't. But this is what I don't see here. But anyways, let's get back to the article. Choosing the right codec can result in the desired quality. Size. Okay. Compressing video is one of the most important process. Back simple composable takes altered text. Post-production tool can take raw production video, encode it, compress it, and make it ready for everyday screens. Getting started with Handbrake. Okay. Install Handbrake. What the hell is Seedbox? So we know most of this. I mean, I know most of this. So this is this not confusing? Very fast. Its encoding speed is very fast. And its file size is also very small, like the smallest out of all. That's kind of funny because I would imagine that something that's compressing very fast, the file size would be larger. Like but whatever. It works in our favor though. So very fast is what we want to be going for mostly. AAC stereo. Can I actually check when I record my audio? So this must be in DaVinci or something. Sorry, in OBS. But when I record my audio, what exactly it records in it? He records it in. So where the hell is? I guess video hotkeys output. Recording audio encoder is AAC. Hardware is NVENC H264. So this is the same one. Recording format is MPEG. This is because it was having some issues with DaVinci or whatever. Audio encoder is AAC. So that is good for me, I think. Then I can go and check for. I mean, now I don't need to check. I think it would be the same. So again, these are not we want. So we want file size to be small, encoding speed to be very fast, picture quality average. Now this is something that I would like. So stereo is fine. I don't think we have Dolby Digital or anything. So I think if we just select this, we would be good to go. So creating a configuration template. One thing I would like is 60 FPS instead of. Uh, creating configuration template. Okay, so let's open Handbrake and see what we are dealing with. Right now, I'm by the way just waiting for my um video to upload. So once that happens, maybe I'll play some Valorant or something. Valorant, I'm again like, do I want to play it or not? Because it's like there's no saying like when the hell the audio will just get messed up. So I probably won't try that. Okay. So very fast is what we want to base everything off. Very fast 720p. Now one thing is the audio. So I want to do pass through. So it basically passes whatever audio was there. Then I want to go to video and set the frame rate to 60 FPS. So I'll save this new preset. I'll save this as very fast 720. Do I want to actually, you know what? Let me do very fast 480p. Is it too low quality? I think 720p is fine. I shouldn't try to be more, what do you call it? Too so let me try this, right? Let me get a new video up. So I'll chuck these in a old folder, right? And I'll quickly go and grab a different video. So I'm just grabbing a video from my folder of just gameplay videos. So this one is also basically the same size. Let's actually watch the video quickly, just for fun. But look at that movement. I just move a little bit to the right. Like, look at this. Move a little bit to the right before shooting and dodge the bullets. I literally dodge the bullets. So good. Oh, sharp. Okay. Anyways, so now we'll try a couple of things with Handbrake, right? So let me just rename this first. Then we'll do very fast 1080p. So I actually have very fast. So these two, I don't know what these are actually. Should I remove these? Can I not remove the presets? Presets, remove preset. Yeah. Then this one, delete preset. Okay. Just so I'm not getting confused. Now we start with fast, very fast. So this is the smallest size. Very fast, 720p. Then I go to video. So first let's just do this, right? First let's just uh this is very fast, 720, 30. So I've not made any changes. This is just the default one, correct? Start encoding. So we'll see how this takes, first of all, how long it takes, right? So it's 1 minute video and it's doing it in around, looks like it would be 15 seconds or something. So here you can see how long it's taking, 13 seconds basically. And it reduces it. How much is it? It's like 7 if I double it, around like 8% or something, right? You know what? Do you want to see how close I was to being correct? So I said 8%, right? You just open a new tab. So I said 8%. 40 is percent of 40. Actually, we should do 7. 7 is how much percent of 14%. Okay. So that's a pretty decent reduction, right? And the larger the video, I think the more the reduction will be. Okay. Now with handbrake, I wanna increase the FPS. So now this is 60 FPS. And I wanna, okay, so let's just do just the oh shit, I'm overwriting it. It's fine. So we know that this was 40 MB, right? Now it's just overwriting it, but otherwise everything is the same. Let's see how much it preserves. So it basically now is everything like backup. So we are not doing this. So I'm not going to put this, but I do want audio to basically be exactly the same. So now I'll do this and we'll see how much it preserves. And then once this is done, so this is with the audio, right? Highest quality audio. Once the audio one is done, I want to do the same, but with uh so how much is it? 40 MB. So it's basically the same as the one with 30 FPS. So this is basically the same as 30 FPS because keep in mind this is 60 FPS. I'll just rename it 60 FPS. Okay. Now I'm just seeing like what this is. This is so interesting. But anyways, this is also fine, I think. And we have this actually because this is something related to my NVIDIA card. But okay. Um, okay. So, uh, What was I going to actually try? So we tried very fast. Do I want to try 480p? Yeah, let's try 480p. So we know the audio quality doesn't change basically. Wait, what? Something has changed, right? Oh, okay. Interesting. So if I go to 480p, this changes. Okay. So let's see how long this takes. Oh, sorry, how much space this takes. So again, the audio is the faster, but it doesn't matter basically because again, we have just seen that the audio is not that much of a difference maker. FPS was FPS was pretty big. Okay, so we overwrote something accidentally. Should I overwrite the original one? Ah, okay. I need to go back and find the. I'll just grab a new video, I guess. And I'm deleting all of these just because I messed up a little. And again, I'll just make this G. Sit, I guess. And break. So wanted to do 480p, very fast 480p. The audio is passed through. Oh, I saved it somewhere else. Okay, okay, now I get it. That's fine though. The hell? Okay. So this is very fast 480p, 30 fps with audio. So again, audio doesn't matter basically, but I'm still going to put it just for remembering, I guess. Where's my water bottle? Oh, it's empty. I'll go get some water, I guess, after this. Um. So again, this file was this one was 50 and this is 23. That's a pretty decent size difference, right? But you can see like you can't really read, for example, this part at all. Yeah. So you can't really read this part at all. Like some parts you can't read properly. Hmm. I'm just thinking, right? Also, which one was the one that was like just yeah, it was this, right? That had like more than yeah, so very fast 1080p is here and very fast 720p is here. Maybe this was some error or something. I think I'll do either 480 or 720p with okay, let's also see. So this is fine, right? But I also wanna see if I want to what am I- if I want to what time is it? 38. I'll actually end the recording here because I messed up something, so I have to now go and edit it. But yeah, thanks for sticking by. A little bit shorter audio today, but I think it should be fine. We had fun, I think. So see you soon and take care. Bye bye.